Hey there, Beautyistic fam. So here's the deal. Who else has ever cringed at the thought of sitting in a salon for a pedicure when you can have the same results in the comfort of your home, minus the mess, the wait, and the hefty price tag? Well, today we're taking a look at the imPRESS Pedicure Press On Toenails in Angel Vibes, a product that promises a DIY pedi that's as simple as peel, press, and go. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's dive into the details. This set comes with 24 press-on toenails, along with everything you need to get started: an adhesive prep pad, a mini nail file, and a pedicure stick. The toenails themselves have a short Squoval shape, and the color? It's a crisp, clean white that gives that classic, fresh pedicure look. No messy polish involved, just pure, instant perfection. What makes this product stand out is the patented super hold adhesive that Kiss has applied to each toenail. This means no glue, no drying time, and no hassle, just pure ease. Kiss claims these nails are chip-proof, smudge-proof, and waterproof, with a wear time of up to 10 days. That's a bold claim, so let's put that to the test. When it comes to real-world testing, applying these nails was an absolute breeze. The application process is quick and simple, just peel, press, and you're done. I had no trouble aligning them with my natural nail beds, and the PureFit Technology gives them a really slim, comfortable fit. They didn't feel bulky or heavy at all, which, let's be honest, is a common issue with press-on nails. It was like they weren't even there, and that's a big win in my book. Now let's talk performance. These nails held up pretty well. I wore them through daily activities and even took them to a pool day. No chips, no lifting, and no sign of wear. In fact, they lasted almost the full 10 days without a single hiccup, which is impressive for press-ons. And removal? Just as easy as application. No glue means no sticky mess, and I didn't have to worry about damaging my natural toenails when I took them off. But of course, no product is without its flaws. The one thing I noticed, especially with the shorter Squoval shape, is that they might not be ideal for people who love long, dramatic toenails. The short length is perfect for a natural, everyday look, but if you're someone who craves a bit more length, this may not be the right fit. Now let's talk about value for money. These press-ons are priced at a reasonable range, especially when you factor in the durability and ease of use. If you were to compare this to a salon pedicure, you're definitely saving a pretty penny. And honestly, the results aren't far off. I'd say these press-ons are a solid choice for anyone looking to skip the salon trip without sacrificing quality. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few other press-on toenail brands out there that offer similar results. However, what sets imPRESS apart is the ease of application, no glue formula, and the longevity of wear. I'd say it's worth the investment if you're someone who's looking for convenience and quality in one. So, after testing these out thoroughly, here's the verdict. If you're after an easy, mess-free pedicure at home that gives you salon-quality results, the imPRESS Pedicure on Toenails in Angel Vibes are a fantastic option. They're comfortable, durable, and super easy to apply, plus they look great. The white shade is perfect for an all-season, classic look, and the 10-day wear time is pretty impressive for a press-on. And if you've used these or have any thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how they worked for you. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. Your support helps us keep making content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.